Alright everyone, today we're here to make a plushie of Angela from Lobotomy Corporation and Library of Ruina. The marble run is Subcon Forest, and the theme, I can't remember the theme name, I'll put it in the description because I'll have it then. Check the description for that. Hi, I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or 26th time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a cute plushie. It's gonna end up wonky probably because it's hard to shape these correctly, but anyway, don't be ashamed if it's wonky. We're all there, I think. And the first thing you're going to do is go to the description, download the file, and print it out. Yeah. Alright, and then you're going to want to cut out the pattern. And then, once you got the pattern cut out, you're going to want to trace it and cut it out of the fabric. You're going to need, like, one face panel and, like, a very slightly off-white. 2 torso panels in white. 1 torso panel in black. 1 bottom panel in black. 2 coat panels in white. 6 limb panels in white. 6 limb panels in brown. 2 palm panels in like the same off-white as like the head, its face. 2 black palm panels. 2 light blue back pieces. 2 light blue hair pieces. 2 light blue ponytail pieces, and 2 red pieces, and 2 eye pieces in black, and 1 mouthpiece in black. Yeah. Alright, when you start, like, the actual sewing, like, once you got all the pieces ready, you're gonna first grab the face panel. I did this wrong. I started with doing the mouth. I'd recommend doing that as, like, the 3rd step, like, just before you do the eyes, but you attach it right here, essentially. Now, here's what you should actually do for your first step, and I recommend watching the whole video through before starting. I should have mentioned that earlier, but you're going to want to fold it in half. If you already done the mouth, I'll make sure the mouth is like something you can at all see when it's folded. You want to fold it in half, and like where there were little triangles, you want to go along and close that up. Do the same with the smaller one, not just the big one. You're going to want to put 1 eye here, and do the mouth now if you haven't. And put the other eye here, like just on the other side, like so that there's 1 eye on each side, like a face is actually in real life. Now start making the back. Like grab both back panels, line them up, and start near the center along the curved edge, and go to like 1 end. Now do that a 2nd time, but leave a gap in between the 2, so that you can, well, so that there's a hole there. Now attach both sides together, go all the way around. You should not see the face while you do this, like the soft side and the face side should be facing each other during this. And you're going to invert it now. And stuff it. And close it on up. So once the base for the head is all done, you're going to want to start making the hair. Like, grab the 2 hair pieces and attach them together. There should be like one curved edge that isn't opposite to the spiky one. And you're going to sew along that. Like, sew along everything but that. Like, leave that alone, sew everything else. Now invert it. And attach it to the head near the back. And now start by adding a hairband piece to one of the ponytail pieces. It should go on like the little thin part. On like a soft side if it's like only soft on one side. Then do the same for the other piece. Now attach them both together. The hairbands should be facing. Leave like the little edge that is only reached by the hairbands unsewn, like as a little hole, like where it would connect to the head. Now invert it and stuff it. You didn't do this with the main hair, but you do it with the ponytail. Now attach it here on the side of her head. Alright, so to make the torso first, you're going to want to grab the tie piece. I forgot to mention it. It's a red piece and the like little inner shirt piece, which is white. You're going to attach the tie to the inner shirt. Yeah. Now you're going to want to attach the inner shirt to the black panel. Yeah, go all the way around. Now you're going to want to attach a coat piece to a white panel. Like go near the bottom, attach it, like go along one edge, like that curved edge, the small curved edge. Do the same for a second. And now you're going to want to make you're going to want to attach 2 of them to the panels, like have the parts you want to see facing each other while you do this. Be careful with the skirt to not get it all, the coat to not get it all tied up. Then add the other panel that you haven't done yet. Now attach both together. I mean, the 2 that haven't been attached yet, attach them together. Now attach the bottom, but tuck the skirt in first so you don't get the skirt caught. Well, the coat. Yeah. Now invert it. Once you've got the bottom all the way attached, invert it. Hopefully the coat should like hang down. Stuff it too. Now attach it to the head. And making the limbs like little torso. Like for the arms, you're gonna grab 3 white panels and one off-white panel. I mean, one off-white palm. And you're going to want to attach 2 limb panels along the long side. Then add a third. Connect the 2 that haven't been connected to each other yet. Attach the palm at one end. Invert it. Stuff it. Make another. Legs are the same, just brown limb panels and black palms. Attach one arm here. Attach another arm here. Attach a leg here. Attach another leg here. You got yourself an Angela, buddy. Alright, so I gotta thank you for going through the whole tutorial, whether you make it or not. Thanks for coming here. If you made it, create a community post, like post to my community tab about it, like show off your plushie. I really want to see it. If you've got like anything, any plushies you want to see in the future, feel free to tell me. Like, comment, subscribe, hype the video, do whatever. I'd love to hear it. But I always do a hint. I'm not going to delay this hint a bunch of times like I did with Angela. So what would be a good hint for this one? Flower. Alright. See ya. Bye.